Hello YouTubers, Dylan here with a new drawing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw the Red Skull from the Marvel Universe. So grab a chair, sit back, relax, get a nice piece of paper, a good pencil. Let's get started. So the first thing we want is a big, large circle for the top of his head, and draw very loose and light. And it's okay if it's messy because at the end, we're going to cover this up with darker lines later on. And then we're going to draw a square right below. That's going to be his chin area. And then we're going to put a cross down the middle because this is where the middle of his face will be. And then we're going to draw a line across. That's going to be where his eyes will go. Okay, so we got that. Now it's time to draw, before we get to his eyes, we're going to do his eyebrows first. Well, though he doesn't really have eyebrows, they're more like his forehead. Or eyelids, in a way. If you remember, he has a skull head rather than a human head. And then don't forget to get the sides of his So we got that. Now we're going to get the other one, which will go like this. And then that's going to go this way. It's okay if it goes out a bit. We're trying to make sure his head resembles a skull shape. Here's the side. You might want to pause the video when I'm done with this so that you can get yours done right. Then we're going to draw a line up here. That's going to be the side of his. And do another one here. Okay, then we're going to draw the top of his head, and it's going to connect all the way here like this. Get the other side. It's starting to look like a skull already. Then we can put some lines here. And draw some lines here as well. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to get in his eyes. And they're almost going to be like, this one's going to be sort of a triangle-like shape. Then this one's going to be a little bit square-like. And then inside them, you're going to put circles about the size of, I don't know, maybe a button, something like that. Then if you want, you can put another circle inside. That will be the pupil. Then you can shade them in. And make sure you leave some highlight in there. Just make sure it's dark enough with a little spot. Okay, and then we should also draw some lines under the eyes to resemble for more skull shapes. Okay, once we got that, you can darken in the rest of his eyes, because he's not showing regular human eyes. They're black inside. Okay, so we got his eyes in. Now we're going to draw his nose. So we'll start with a line up here with a V shape. Connect those like this. And then you're going to draw the sides here. Then you're going to connect these lines here. Okay, and then you can darken this in if you'd like. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to draw a line here for that part of the nose. And before we get to his mouth, we're going to draw his cheeks. One's going to go like this. These cheeks are going to be like sticking out to resemble his skull appearance. And then you're going to get this side as well. And it's going to be a lot similar. Then you're going to get this side here. You're going to get this side. You're going to get the side here. And then you're going to draw the other side of his cheek. And then here's the other side. And then you're going to draw these lines up here. And for his mouth, it's going to be a little bit of an angry expression, something like the Hulk's, but a little smaller. So take your time, pause the video if you have to for this part. You're going to draw, for the bottom, it's going to be a curve. And then it ends with a straight line right there. So we got that. And then we're going to draw his teeth. And then you can go ahead and color in the sides of his teeth. Okay, then we need to draw his lower lip. Then you're going to get the bottom lip, the side of it. And now we need to draw his chin. So we'll get this lower end, connect that there. Right, got that. And then if you want, you can maybe put some shadows on him if you'd like. Just to, like, indicate his, evil. Even faces have shadows. You can find them when you look in a mirror. Get some above his eyes as well. And then we can also put some on his lip. The side of his head. Then we can also get the bottom of his face. And there you have it. You have your very own picture of the Ruthless Red Skull. Hope you all had fun. Make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.